Hello, we are VantTec.
Tec de Monterrey's student research group on unmanned autonomous vehicles.
In 2016, Mexico was ranked the top fourth country, spending the least gross domestic product in the world for research and development.
It also had the least amount of researchers out of 45 countries, according to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development.
My name is Alejandra Monsivais. I'm a mechatronics student. I have experience in the industry of 1.5 years, having done my internships at Tesla, where I've learned about quality engineering. But not only that, but I soon realized that it is important for undergraduate and graduate students to learn about the passion for research and development.
My name is Ivana Cordero, and I'm a current mechatronics student. Having done 2 international research stays at top universities like Carnegie Mellon, focusing on autonomous robotics and perception, I've experienced firsthand the lack of Mexicans in state-of-the-art technology development.
In our country, there is a lack of motivation, mentorship, and opportunities for young people to design and engineer technology. There is a little amount of research and development of new ideas. Undergrad students, we're just being prepared to work in basic roles at big companies, where all the innovation comes from the outside. We're barely having the opportunity to do groundbreaking projects where there's no one fighting against the brain drain that consumes the country's future.
VantTec is here to change that.
We're a group of students focused on research and development of unmanned vehicles, looking to inspire young generations to pursue their academic and professional goals in the STEM area, providing mentorship and a safe environment for them to innovate.
For the past 3 years, we have been the only Mexican team competing internationally in the US with an autonomous boat, having a better performance each year. We generate research papers each year and present in international conferences and journals.
Our next goal is to complete the making of a submarine. Our newest projects consist of basic elements, each of them critical for the underwater vehicle's function. The aluminum frame to prevent corrosion, acrylic tubes to maintain the electronics dry, electronics for power and communications, and hardware that will help us control the submarine. We made a fluid simulation as well for design analysis in order to prevent any failure prior to the start of manufacturing process. Every single detail was designed by a student, which shows the great potential our team has.
Both the autonomous boat and autonomous submarine competitions are hosted by RoboNation. RoboNation is a non-profit organization whose mission is to provide a pathway for hands-on educational experience that empowers students to find innovative solutions to global challenges and make their way into the industry. RoboNation's competitions are not just an introduction to technology. By participating, students learn the technical skills needed by the autonomous industry as they work with state-of-the-art equipment, sensors, and programming methods. VantTec looks for the youth to grow in the STEM fields and at the same time to never stop challenging themselves. By being part of our team, students will learn the necessary skills to go on into industry and compete with state-of-the-art technologies. Our submarine project will be the first autonomous submarine from a Mexican team that will compete internationally. But that has not stopped us or made us afraid, but the opposite. That motivates us to demonstrate that we are capable of this and more. The Mexican students have the ability to develop groundbreaking technology no matter their age or economic power.
At the beginning, we didn't have a thing. Through hard work and big dreams, we were founded by the sponsorship of a company to start developing a boat. Due to our performance getting better each year, more companies have started to invest in this dream. Investing in our team is different for every company. They can decide whether to use money or products, which we administrate and provide to the project that needs it the most. For the submarine, we have sponsors as Axis, VectorNav, NVIDIA, Google, SkySet, Uber ATG, Aki, IFM Effector, Grancy, RoboNation, which if we didn't have them and this support, this project would still just be a dream. According to the worldwide known consulting group, McKinsey & Company, we're constructing our future on autonomous vehicles. Between 2020 and 2022, level 4 autonomy is expected, and level 5 autonomy is projected to function by 2030. With all the technology that's being developed by companies focused on advanced driver assistance systems, the market is expected to double and reach a value of $35 billion in revenue, which makes introducing students to this type of technology and research that much more important. As a team, we are integrated with 37 members, out of which 10 of them are developing the submarine. Specialized in mechatronics, digital systems, and robotics engineering, we all create a great synergy for the submarine to become a reality.
We are VantTec.